Is your Mercedes Sprinter Apple CarPlay connection constantly dropping out while you drive? Roughly 80% of these connection drops trace back to hardware issues rather than the MBUX software itself. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your stability. Start by swapping your cable for a certified one and cleaning the USB port of any pocket lint. Check your phone for pending iOS updates and verify that no active VPNs are blocking the data stream. If it still fails, check the Mercedes portal for any available firmware updates for your specific MBUX version. If these simple fixes fail, you might be looking at a faulty USB hub module requiring shop expertise. Data shows the cable is the overwhelming favorite for failure, so do not skip that step. Perform a hard reset by holding the MBUX power button until the logo reappears to flush out temporary bugs. Keep a can of compressed air in your glove box to keep those ports dust-free during long hauls. Remember, your connection is only as strong as the cable itself. If you're still having trouble, visit your dealer for a diagnostic scan. Thanks for watching.